Sudden cardiac arrest, SCA. It's what happens when the heart's electrical activity becomes chaotic and the heart stops pumping. More than 300,000 people are victims of sudden cardiac arrest every year, and most do not survive. SCA can strike the young and the old, at home, at school, while playing, traveling, learning, and working. In fact, 13% of SCA deaths occur in the workplace. But no matter where or when SCA strikes, early use of a defibrillator can help save these lives. A defibrillator applies a brief pulse of electrical current to a heart, allowing its normal electrical system to resume control. Defibrillation is proven to be the only effective treatment for ventricular fibrillation, a fatal heart rhythm associated with SCA. Although not everyone can be saved from sudden cardiac arrest, studies show that early defibrillation can dramatically improve survival rates.
When I walk down the hallway at my job and see the CR Plus AEDs, I smile just knowing they're there. Every company should have them. I'm living proof they work.
Featuring the same advanced technology trusted by emergency medical professionals, the LIFEPAK CR Plus automated external defibrillator from Physio Control is designed to be simple and safe to use for the first person who responds to a victim of SCA, and to be effective in helping that person save a life.
Once we activated the CR Plus, what was most reassuring was the voice, just going through the steps. If you're going to run into a situation like that, that's the unit to have hanging on the wall.
The fully automatic LIFEPAK CR Plus AED features a simple two-step process that makes it easy and safe for a responder to use. In response to a cardiac arrest victim, Step 1, turn the device on. Step 2, apply the electrode pads. You may have to remove clothing from the victim's chest. That's it. The fully automatic CR Plus AED then takes over, providing calm, confident prompts through our patented clear voice technology.
Evaluating heart rhythm.
The fully automatic CR Plus will determine if a shock is needed, and then deliver it without anyone pushing a button.
Preparing to shock. Delivering shock.
It was great to be able to come in with our LIFEPAK equipment and link the CR Plus pads right in. It's a matter of seconds.
With the same technology used by medical professionals and industry-leading defibrillation power, the LIFEPAK CR Plus AED is effective. There is no time to spare when responding to a victim of SCA. More EMS units around the world use LIFEPAK equipment than any other brand, and the electrodes on the CR Plus AED are fully compatible with all other LIFEPAK defibrillators and monitors. That means patients can be transferred to professional medical providers more quickly, saving precious time. The LIFEPAK CR Plus AED also offers the most potent defibrillation energy in the industry. While most other AEDs only offer a maximum of 200 joules, the unit used to measure the power of a shock, the CR Plus AED and all LIFEPAK defibrillators have the capability to deliver a shock at 360 joules. This higher power level may give difficult to defibrillate victims a better opportunity for a better outcome.
There's no question we made the right decision. The proof is that our friend and colleague is still with us, just as she's always been.
The LIFEPAK CR Plus automated external defibrillator is not only simple to use and effective, it's also remarkably easy to own and to keep ready for when it may be needed. The LIFEPAK CR Plus conducts weekly and extended monthly automatic self-tests and has a visible readiness display with 4 clear indicators to let you and anyone who uses it know it's ready to do its job. It features a synchronized charge pack battery charger and electrode replacement cycle that cuts maintenance burdens in half. Its Safeguard power system, unique in the industry, helps ensure your AED has the power it needs when sudden cardiac arrest strikes. The CR Plus is also available in a semi-automatic model with a shock button. And because Physio Control stands by the quality of every one of our life-saving products, we offer an 8-year warranty on the LIFEPAK CR Plus AED, the longest in the industry. The LIFEPAK CR Plus automated external defibrillator. Designed to be simple. Designed to be effective. Designed to be ready. Designed to maximize the chances for survival and make the places we live, play, and work safer. To learn more about the LIFEPAK CR Plus AED, contact a Physio Control representative today or visit physiocontrol.com.